Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use coins on AliExpress. All right, let's begin. First, open AliExpress on your mobile phone or computer. Tap the Account section at the bottom right corner. Then select Coins from the top section of your screen. Here, you'll find different ways to earn coins, such as the daily check-in, where you can earn up to 70 coins per day. For example, after checking in, you'll receive coins, and a message will confirm that coin discounts are now available. These coins can be exchanged for discounts on selected products. To use coins for a discount, select a product. Scroll down to Discounts and Coupons, where you'll see the exchange rate. For instance, 20 coins might give you a 7% discount, while 300 coins can get you a 170% discount. The more coins you collect, the higher the discount on eligible products. You can also earn coins by exploring sponsored items or browsing limited-time offers. Try different methods to maximize your coin balance and save more on AliExpress. So that's basically how you can use coins on AliExpress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.